This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Scooty on its middle stand. First, make sure your Scooty is on a flat, stable surface to prevent any wobbling. Stand on the left side of your Scooty, facing forward, and firmly grip the left handlebar with your left hand. With your right hand, take a strong hold of the rear grab rail. This initial positioning is crucial for stability and leverage. Now, place your right foot firmly on the middle stand's lever, ensuring your entire foot is on it for maximum leverage. Apply steady downward pressure with your right foot. Simultaneously, pull upwards and slightly backward on the rear grab rail with your right hand. Maintain a firm grip on the left handlebar with your left hand to keep the Scooty balanced throughout this motion. This coordinated effort is key. As you push down with your foot, use your body weight to assist the downward force on the stand lever. Continue pulling the Scooty upwards and slightly backward with the grab rail. You'll feel the Scooty pivot on the stand, lifting the front wheel off the ground. The goal is to get both feet of the middle stand to firmly touch the ground, supporting the Scooty upright and stable. Once the Scooty is on its middle stand, gently rock it side to side to confirm both feet of the stand are securely on the ground and it's stable. This quick check ensures it won't tip over. Practice this technique a few times in a safe, open area. With a little practice, you'll be able to put your Scooty on its middle stand effortlessly every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.